Hi, I'm Marsha Ramblin and I love laundry day, and I know a lot of people don't. So let me show you 3 tips how to really enjoy it. One of them is to get your towels in colors that you like. My bathroom is like a light tan, a crisp khaki color, so all of these pops of my favorite colors are here. You may have noticed I often wear coral or else the green and the blue when I'm doing my videos. I use the coral towels. My husband uses the green and the blue towels. So that works out really well in our bathroom. You can also fold your washcloths and put them in a nice bin like this. Just pull it out from under the sink and away it goes. Now you may be noticing the smooth decorative edge. I have named it the decorative edge, and let me show you how to get that look. So for instance, a washcloth, there are many ways to fold it, but I am going to show you what I do is fold a third in, and then you fold it in half and you have that smooth decorative edge, and that's how it goes like that. Now with a big towel, of course they come out from the washing machine. What I do is fold it this way, and then I will fold it in half, and this way it hangs right over your towel bar this way. And when you're folding it, just do it one more time and you have a stack of decorative edge towels. So that's the first tip. Second tip is to get ready for company. So in the guest room bathroom, you can take 2 sets of towels, pretend these are towel bars, and instead of all brown on one and all green on another, you can divide it up. So this way it gives a little variety to it. We just had a lot of company, and so I went through all our towels. Oh my goodness, we had so many. And I found this really nice towel set, and I thought, this would go nice, these hand towels, at my daughter's house instead of my house. So I'm going to give them to her because she has a lot of company. Then I also found this nice brown set, but my colors have changed. I don't really need it. I'm going to donate it to a women's shelter, and they will be able to use it right away. And then on top of that, I found from my prior bathroom the blue and white, and so I'll be donating this to them as well. And then a light pink, yeah, I think it could move on to someone else as well. So this will move on. I feel so good that I'm going to be donating those. Somebody will use them that needs them. But I did have some extras. All I needed was a bin, and so when my guests have these and there's more, like a family visiting, I just pull this out, and this is under the guest bathroom sink as well. So I hope that you have your favorite colors in your bathroom. Everybody likes the nice white spa look, but they kind of look a little dingy after a while. So pick a color that you like, and that way it'll be so much easier to keep them clean. And it gives you a perk when you go and open up in the morning and you go, there's just some vibrancy to your day already. I'm Marsha Ramblin, your organizing pro and coach. I'd love to share more tips with you. Go over to my website, Organizing Pro, and follow me on YouTube for lots of new tips, and we will see you there. All right, bye for now. Enjoy your laundry day and get rid of the excess so you have just your favorites.